Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your rear mirror. First, make sure you are sitting in your normal driving position. Your seat and steering wheel should already be set for your comfort and safety. This initial setup is crucial because it ensures the mirror is adjusted to your actual line of sight. The goal is to have a clear, unobstructed view of the road directly behind your vehicle. Let's get started. Next, let's talk about the day and night feature. Most rearview mirrors have a small lever or button on the bottom. Flipping this lever changes the mirror's angle, reducing glare from headlights behind you at night. For basic adjustment, ensure the lever is in the day position. Then, gently grasp the mirror and angle it so you can see the entire rear window centered within the mirror's frame. This is your starting point. Now, let's fine-tune for optimal safety. While keeping the rear window centered, slightly tilt the mirror so you can just barely see a small portion of the passenger side of your car. This subtle adjustment helps to minimize blind spots, especially when you're checking for traffic before changing lanes. The key is to achieve a wide, comprehensive view without having to strain your neck or eyes. It should feel natural and comfortable. Finally, do a quick safety check. Sit back in your normal driving position and confirm that your rearview mirror offers a wide, unobstructed view of the road directly behind you. Also, take a moment to recheck your side mirrors to ensure they provide complete coverage of your blind spots. A properly adjusted mirror setup is vital for safe driving. For a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.